In this screencast, we're going to be taking a look at the various search filters available when you're searching for products using the Datafeedr Product Sets plugin. So let's hop in here and create a new product set. And what we're going to do is we're going to work through all of the various fields that we have when we're searching for a product. The first one is the catch-all field. It's the ending field. So basically when you enter in a keyword phrase here, not only will it search for the product name field, but it's also going to search all the products, descriptions, categories, tags, and try to pull back any product that matches the terms that you enter. So let's put in rock climbing shoe and click search. Now you can see it brought back this product has rock climbing shoe in the title. And so does that, so do all these. Well, let's drop down, let's go to a little bit further down the search results. And you can actually see that here, it's pulling back a harness. So it's not even looking in the product name, it's looking somewhere else. So it's, if we do a little search in the browser, we can see here's the word shoe. We can see here's the word rock and here's the word climbing. So it searched various fields for the terms that you entered. If you want a little bit more control, we can use the product name field. So the product name field does just what it says. It searches the product name and excludes all of the other index fields in the search. So let's say we also run this search, rock climbing shoe, click search. And now we can see we have a lot fewer products. And we have rock climbing shoe or a variation of those terms in the product name, rock climbing shoe. Let's go to the end here and make sure. Yeah, so rock climbing shoe, rock climbing shoe. So that's the product name. So it's only searching on the product name field. Let's go here. So product ID is actually searching the internal ID of the product that Datafeedr uses. So let me show you an example. Let's take this product here. If we click the product name, it'll actually expose a whole lot more information about the product. This is the ID, the brand, category, currency, description. Here's the name right there, etc. And so what we can do is if you know the product ID, you can actually enter it here and do a search. And there we return the exact product. Now these, just a reminder, these are internally created by Datafeedr. They don't correspond to any SKU or ID that the merchant is providing. These are our internal ones. So the next field is barcode. Now this is a catch-all for various product identifiers such as EAN or UPC or a GTIN or even an ISBN number. So I have a barcode here. I'm leaving off the trailing zero. Sometimes you'll see these with, leading zero. Sometimes you'll see them with 1 or 2 or sometimes even 3 leading zeros. You can exclude those or you can leave them in. Our search will compensate for the format that you provide. And then you can do a search. And now what's really cool about the barcode is the barcode field is it's returned the exact match of any product that has this barcode. So you can see when I click here, you can see the barcode is listed right there. And that's because it was pulled from this UPC field right there. Same with the rest of these. You can see that they all have the same barcode. So if you're ever looking, if you know the barcode for a product and you want to return all of the products that match that barcode, this is the field. Let's move on. So here we have the brand. So basically we're searching for the product's brand or the brand name. So in this case, I'm going to search Petzl, which you can see this headlamp here is a Petzl brand name. Let's just do a search. And now it's returning quite a few products, over 3,000 products that are produced by Petzl. And you can see, again, this is the brand name here in blue. The next filter is color. You can search by color. This is actually useful when you combine it with some other searches. So let's see if we can, this product doesn't have a color, but let's go ahead and put in red or black. Now let's see what we get here. And this little pipe symbol is an OR symbol. So here we have our results, and you can see that all of our products returned, quite a few. It's hit our limit, 10,000. Have the color red, and that one actually has red and black. This one also red and black, and so on. This one you can see that has also red in the color, and so on. You get the idea. That's how you can search for color. Like I said, usually most useful when you are combining with other filters. Same for material. I'm not going to run this, but if you know you just want to find products which are leather or nylon, you can use the material filter to filter your products by what they're made of. Same with size. You can do a search for medium, large, or if their shoe sizes, 42 for like a European size, or 9 for a US size. Gender, if you know the gender of the product that you're looking to return, then you can enter that here. So here on this product that we're looking at, you can see that the gender is female, so we can put that in. And let's just go ahead and make this a little narrower of a search. And so we've searched for product name is harness, and then the gender is female. And so now I didn't expect all of these pants, but these are actually what I was expecting, were some climbing harnesses. And you can see that the gender is listed as female. Let's move on. Nope. Gender. Okay. SKU is something that is more unique to the merchant themselves. So you won't often use SKU unless you're targeting very specific products and can't figure out another way to target them. But you can see this product's SKU is listed here. This is typically different than the UPC or the EAN or the GTIN. In this case, this is condition, and this could be new or used. Those are typically our only options, and they're not set for every product. It's only set for the merchants who actually provide the condition field in their data feed. So, for example, you can see that this product does not have the condition listed because it wasn't provided by Everyday Yoga, the merchant Everyday Yoga. All right. So the description field is basically when you want to search this entire product description field. And this is useful if the merchant is putting additional information about their products into the product description field. So we could even do something like that and combine it with baggy, and we should be able to return that product that we just saw. Right, there we go. So now if we look in here, we will be able to find Indian harem pants baggy. And you can see that baggy doesn't appear in the product name. All right, let's go a little bit further down. You can see we also support tags. And most of the products have tags. And here in this case, it's adult, it's black, and female. So you can use the tags filter to search on the tags field for each product. Next is the category field, and this one can be quite useful, especially when you're trying to disambiguate between different product category types. So you can see here we have this category called apparel, And if I wanted to do category matches apparel and product name is harness again, then that will most likely exclude the rock climbing harnesses because we filter just to apparel. And now you can see that there are no more rock climbing harnesses in here. We just have clothing. And that's exactly what I expected. Next is the product type. In most cases, you're going to choose product. We don't have full support for coupon right now, but if you wanted to add your own custom support for that, that's something you would have to develop on your own. Currency, this is useful if you want to target specific countries or specific currency codes. Here we have, let me scroll down so you can see the full list. We have Australian, Brazilian, Canadian, etc. And so you can filter all of your results by the currency that it's offered in. So as you can see, all of these products are USD. They all have the dollar sign, which could be Canadian as well, but in this, or Australian, but in this case, it is USD. Next, we have a price filter. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and just fill this out a little bit just to limit our results. And so we have the price, and you'll notice that we have sale price and final price. So what are the differences here? Well, price is the regular price, and that's always going to be available for any of the products in our database. The sale price, so if the product is actually on sale, like for example, there's a discount on the product, it's 20% off, then the sale price will be filled in with the sale price. And the final price is actually whichever of these two prices is the lowest. So if the product is not on sale, it won't have a sale price, and the final price will be the same as the price field. However, if the product is on sale, let's say the product regular price is $100, but the sale price is $80, then the final price will be $80. So we can filter based on price ranges. We can also filter on being greater than or less than a certain price. So let's say that I was doing a search for rock climbing harnesses, but I was getting a bunch of accessories, like maybe $5 accessories that weren't actually matching the more expensive harnesses that I was targeting. So then I could actually do a greater than or equal to search and say, you know what, I just want rock climbing harnesses which have a price of greater than or equal to $35. And now you can see all of the products that come back are over $35. And when you're looking at these prices here in the product display, the green price is going to be your regular price field. And the red price here is actually the sale price. So you can see here, this product is not on sale. It just has a regular price. But this product is on sale. It's the regular price. The price field is $98.95, but the sale price field is $74.21. And let's take a look at the fields for this. Again, the price, $98.95. Sale price, $74.21. And then that would make our final price $74.21. So that's how pricing works, and that's how you can really, I use pricing, I use either one of these three pricing filters, usually final price, to exclude a lot of products from my searches which might be tangentially related to the products I'm looking for, but they're not the exact products I'm looking for. So if you were looking for an accessory for an iPhone, you might want to keep the price under $50. But if you were searching for an iPhone, then you want to keep the price $500 and up. So that covers price, sale price, and final price. Related to sale price is the discount field, and this is actually super useful, and I use this on my own site. The discount is how much the product is discounted in a percentage. So if we only want to display products which are discounted 15% or more, then we can say discount greater than or equal to 15%. And now that returns 4 products, and you can see that these are all discounted by a certain amount. I can't do that math in my head, but I can take a look here, go to the sale discount, and I can see that they've been discounted by 25%. So this is also really useful. This is really cool. You can create a category in your store. This, for example, save products that are 35% off or more. So that's one way you could use this field. All right, so the network filter allows you to just filter products that come from a specific network. So if I just wanted to do a search and only return products that were from Commission Junction, then I could add that and then click search. And there are no products, so no problem. Let's go to AvantLink. I'm pretty sure they have products that would match, and they do. So they're all coming from AvantLink US. You can see that that's the first colored text here, AvantLink US, and those are all from AvantLink. Similar to that is the merchant field. So if we want to only return products from a specific merchant, we can do so. And I can select Eastern Mountain Sports from all 4 of these networks. We have Eastern Mountain Sports from ShareSale, Flex Offers, AvantLink, and Rakuten. And I can select those and then do my search. And you can see that Eastern Mountain Sports is the merchant for all of these products. All right, let's keep going. Next, similar to the sale price field and the discount field is the on sale field. And this is just the Boolean filter that says, give me all the products which are either on sale or not on sale. And this is super useful too. So you can say on sale, yes. And now we'll get all of the products which are on sale. It looks like we're back to those 4 products. So let's go ahead and mix it up a bit. We'll go to, nope, we're going to get 0 results for that. Rock climbing shoe, not shoe harness. All right, so here we have more results. We have this these climbing shoes, which are all on sale. 30 products. So I use this filter a lot. You don't have to use this. If you say discount greater than 0, on sale will be that will already be applied. All right. This one is really useful if you're concerned about whether the product's in stock or not. However, a lot of merchants don't actually provide stock information in their data feed. So we have 3 different options you can choose from. We have yes or unknown, which is the default option and the recommended option. We have yes, where the stock the product is explicitly in stock, or no, where the product is explicitly out of stock. So with the yes or unknown option, we're saying yes, just return products which are explicitly in stock, or the stock status is unknown, i.e. the merchant didn't provide the stock information. And if you ever want to remember that or any of these other fields, just click this little question mark between the field name and then the other option, and you will get a tooltip for how to use this field. Okay, next. Has direct URL. So what is that? So let me show you. So has direct URL will return products which actually contain the direct URL to the product page on the merchant's website. So let me show you what that means. Here in the URL field right here, this is your actual affiliate link. This is the link that you have to use in order to get credit, to earn a commission, to run it through, in this case, Rakuten link share. And that's the URL that we use by default when displaying products on your site, because we want you to earn money. However, there's also the direct URL. And the direct URL is the URL of this product on the merchant's website. Now, why would you want to use this? Well, if you are actually integrating Datafeedr with Skimlinks or Sovereign, we have links in our documentation where you can where we show you how you can integrate with Skimlinks and Sovereign, or previously known as Vigilink, where you can pass this direct URL straight to Skimlinks, and in that case, you're avoiding or bypassing essentially the whole affiliate network relationship. However, you will need an account at Skimlinks, and sometimes it can be a little difficult to get those accounts. So sometimes it's just easier to run through the affiliate networks and the merchants. But if you do have an account at Skimlinks or Sovereign, then when you're doing a search for products, you want to make sure that you have has direct URL set to yes, because that will ensure that only products which have a direct URL are actually imported into your site, so that they will be compatible with Skimlinks or Sovereign, because you have to have that direct URL. If you try to pass an affiliate link to Skimlinks or Sovereign because the product you're promoting doesn't have a direct URL, you're probably going to run into problems and not actually earn any commissions for your referrals. All right. So has image. So some products they don't ship with, they don't include image URLs in their in the product data feed. I don't know why. Sometimes it's an oversight, sometimes it's an error. But if you're finding a lot of products don't have images in their when they're returned in your search result, then go ahead and enable that or turn this on. However, you may find that some products get returned with like a box, like this says product coming soon. That's still considered an image, and so this filter is not really going to help prevent that. Has barcode. Has barcode is similar to the barcode field, but this is just another Boolean search, so that you can just find products which have that barcode. And the barcode I'm talking about is this one. And in this case, it would be the EAN, the UPC, GTIN, or the ISBN number. All right, so the last updated, you can set the last updated value, so you can return products that have been last updated before a certain date or after a certain date. And you can use basic English language here. So last updated before yesterday. You can do that, or you can use something like that. Oh, and I'll show you where to find that. Here you can find the time updated field, and this is the time that this product was last updated in our database. That's the last time we pulled that product down from the merchant and updated it in our system. Next, we have the limit field, and this just basically limits the number of products that are returned in your search. So if I just click search there and I set that to 10, then you can see up to 10 products were returned. Next is the merchant limit. This allows you to spread out to distribute your search results across the merchants more evenly. Now, it doesn't work in all cases. If you try to use the merchant limit with the Exclude Duplicates filter, you will run into strange things happen. We're still working on this feature, so I would highly recommend not using those two filters together. So if you're doing merchant limit is 5 and you do your search, then that's going to distribute your merchants more evenly than say a basic search. Okay, the next filter is not really a filter, it's more of sorting. And so here you can actually sort the products that are, you can change how the products are returned. So by default, products are always sorted by relevance. The most relevant to your search are returned first, and least relevant are returned last. But we have some options. So we have a price ascending, price descending. So we're getting back to that price, sale price, final price difference here again. So you can sort by the price field ascending or descending, the sale price field ascending or descending, and the final price field ascending or descending. You can also sort by the discount descending. So let's say we just want to have all products on sale and sort them by the discount descending. So let's take a look. So let's take a look at this one. The sale discount is $63% off. And let's take a look at this one. And that one's bouncing around. That one's 60% off. We go further down, 25% off. So we're sorting the products based on the discount it has. Next, you can sort by the merchant name. So this would be the merchant name ascending. You can also do sort them by the time that they were last updated, ascending or descending. And finally, you can search by the product ID, ascending or descending. In most cases, I typically leave it set to relevance, or basically in most cases, I don't use the sort by filter, but there are some times when you may want to sort by the product ID or the price. But a lot of the pricing stuff, unless you're also using this in conjunction with the limit filter, then that makes sense. But if you don't have the limit filter and you're sorting by final price or something like that, it doesn't really make a huge difference unless there's over 10,000 products being returned in your product set. You can control the sorting on the front end of your website using WooCommerce. Okay, last but definitely not least is the Exclude Duplicates field. I'm going to cover this in another video more extensively, but this allows you to exclude duplicates or basically group products by specific fields. So let's take a look. Let's run this search here. So I should probably fill that in. So we're searching for rock climbing shoe, and you can see we're getting quite a few duplicates. And so what I'll typically do is I'll just type in name or description or barcode, and we'll start with that. And now you can see I've removed a lot of my duplicates, not all, and we'll get into removing some of those further in an additional video. But you can get some examples when you click here. You click the question mark there. You can see how to use this filter. It's super powerful, and you can really dial in your search and the products getting imported into your site. Okay, and the last thing I just want to touch on, I didn't really cover this field here. You can use this and change this to match exactly what you want, but in 99% of the cases, you're going to use the matches option for any of the product fields that have this drop-down. Matches is going to be your best bet because it's going to allow you to use a lot of the search operators, which I'll also cover in another video. But this has been just an introduction to the various fields and filters that you can use when you're creating your product sets and searching for products using the Datafeedr Product Sets plugin.